to the final installation, day 7 of La Meetup, as we embark on our inaugural journey of KWANZAA, 7-day celebration of life, love, faith, and community within the African diaspora.
Great.
And today, we will be talking about faith. The 7th day is Imani.
That's right.
So what does faith mean to you, Jasmine?
It's about having the faith that things will be better, especially as we think about leaving 2020 and moving into 2021. Just believing in the goodness of people and that, things will be better. I have faith that they will.
Yes.
And as long as I have you and Zora by my side, can't go wrong.
No, we can't go wrong. I have faith that the future will be a better place than we found it, with leaders of the world like young Zohra.
Zora.
And faith to me is all about, not just the belief that tomorrow is going to be a better day, but also, that we can work towards that better day. She steals my bracelet. Collectively, communally, as a family, as a community, and as a nation. There is a greater cause than that which is just us three. And it's important that we, put in our work so that destiny becomes reality,
Yes.
And so as we embark on this final journey, celebrating this new year, 2021 is here with us. And I'm going to sip from this libation cup. And
The Kukumbe Cha Umoja, which means the unity cup.
Kukumbe Cha Umoja,
Yes.
unity drank. And mine is a little bit different than theirs. Mine is filled with a little bit of, whiskey from the Kirklands of Costco, far, far away. As I celebrate.
You're going to have to wash it out because it has whiskey. And then baby. That's what I was saying.
So now I will wash this cup out. So I am washing the remnants of the past away. So the future can have faith in what we have built.
That's what I was saying. We are supposed to drink the same thing.
So now we are back with the Kiko.
Kukumbe Cha Umoja.
Yeah. And this is the cup of life, of faith, of happiness, of community. Some call it the KWANZAA cup, or the Umoja cup. And we call it the chalice of freedom.
I'm going to take a sip first and then pass it to us.
Water, alkaline, of course. Yes. 1, 2.
Chug a lug.
3. My cup runneth over.
Yum.
Yeah. Happy KWANZAA, everyone.
Happy KWANZAA. From our family to yours.
Yes. Yes. Imani, faith. I have faith in all of you, and I hope you do too. Imani, happy Kwanzaa from the Lamits to all of you, America. It's not just about bringing Africa to America, it's about bringing our version of society into the world around us. Love, peace, prosperity, community, and of course, faith that tomorrow will be better than today. Happy Kwanzaa.